Vision for the dated kitchen and bathroom.
Here it is, our first house.
It needs a lot of work.
But it's ours.
The kitchen is tiny. Those cabinets are from the 80s.
Perfect. We can make it exactly what we want.
You know what? I want a big island right here in the middle.
An island? This kitchen is too small for that.
Not if we open up this wall.
Wait, that's actually a great idea.
See? I have good ideas too.
Open the wall, new white cabinets, stone countertops.
And the island.
We'll see about the island. Let me set a budget first.
How much are we talking?
$25,000 for the kitchen, $5,000 for the bathroom.
30,000? That's a lot.
We saved for this, and we can do some things ourselves.
Like what?
Painting, tiling the backsplash, removing old cabinets.
Me? Tiling? I'll destroy the whole wall.
YouTube, Jack, YouTube.
Last time I followed a YouTube tutorial, I broke the shelf.
That was furniture. This is different.
How is it different?
It's on a wall. Let's find a contractor first.
Meeting the contractor.
Thanks for coming, Mike. Here's the kitchen.
Okay, what do you want it to look like?
I want this wall gone, open to the living room.
Let me check. This might be load-bearing.
What does that mean?
It holds up the roof. If it is, we need a support beam.
How much extra?
About $2,000.
Do we need a permit?
Yes, structural work requires a city permit, about $500.
How long for the permit?
2 to 3 weeks. We can prep during that time.
I want white shaker cabinets and a stone countertop.
Good choices. Quartz is popular, durable, and low maintenance.
What's your estimate for the kitchen?
$22,000 to $25,000. Depends on your choices.
That's within budget. And the bathroom?
New vanity and tile, $4,000 to $5,000.
When can you start?
After the permit, about 3 weeks.
We want it done before Thanksgiving.
If everything goes smoothly, yes, but old houses have surprises.
The hardware store run.
Hi, we're doing a kitchen renovation. I need countertops.
Sure, what look are you going for?
I want something that looks like marble, but easier to take care of.
Then quartz is perfect for you.
What about real granite?
Granite needs sealing every year. Quartz doesn't.
Quartz it is. What colors do you have?
White, gray, marble look. This one is very popular.
That's gorgeous. How much per square foot?
65, mid-range.
I'll take samples home. Now the backsplash.
What style do you like?
I want it clean and classic, not too busy.
Subway tile, classic and affordable. About $3 a square foot.
I was thinking herringbone pattern.
That's harder to install. Labor goes up 20%.
We're actually planning to tile it ourselves.
Then go with straight pattern, much easier for DIY.
Good advice. Straight pattern it is.
You'll save about $400 on labor.
Can I take the samples home? I want to see them in the kitchen first.
Of course. Take your time.
I want to check how they look next to the cabinets.
Smart idea. Come back anytime.
Demo day.
Safety goggles on, gloves on. Let's go.
Goodbye, ugly cabinets.
This is actually fun.
Because you're destroying things?
Help me with this one. It's stuck.
Screws in the back. Use the drill.
Got them. 1, 2, 3. Pull.
It's out. Oh, Jack, look at the wall.
What is that? Water damage?
The wall is damp and there's mold.
Mold? That wasn't in the inspection report.
It was behind the cabinets. No one could see it.
This means there's a leak.
We need to call Mike right now.
This is what he meant by surprises.
Not the fun kind.
The hidden leak.
I found it. Slow leak behind this wall.
How long has it been leaking?
Probably years.
Can you fix it?
Yes, but we need to replace the pipe.
How much?
Pipe repair about $800.
And the mold?
Mold cleanup $500 to $700.
Plus new drywall?
About $400. Total extra around $2,000.
We're already at budget.
I know, but the pipe and mold aren't optional.
So where do we cut?
You could switch to laminate countertops, saves $2,000.
I really want to keep the quartz.
Then what about doing the backsplash yourselves?
That saves $400 on labor.
And a simpler vanity for the bathroom saves $300.
So $700 from those two.
Plus, I can find a better price on the pipe fittings.
Let me rework the numbers. We'll keep the quartz.
Old houses always have something behind the walls.
The DIY backsplash.
I watched 5 YouTube tutorials. I'm ready.
You think you're ready?
I'm ready. First, mortar on the wall.
How thick?
About 1/8 of an inch. Use the notched towel.
Like this?
More even one direction.
Okay. Now the tile.
Press gently. Put spacers between tiles.
This is actually satisfying. One by one.
You're a natural. Now the hard part.
The outlet?
We have to cut around it. Measure twice, cut once.
I'm nervous. What if I break it?
That's why I bought extra tiles.
Okay, here goes nothing.
Perfect cut. See? You can do this.
I should quit my job and do this full time.
One tile and you're a professional?
I'm a natural. You said it yourself.
After these dry, we do grout tomorrow.
This looks great. We actually did it.
And saved $400.
$400? That's almost a new TV.
No, that goes back into the budget.
Shopping for the bathroom.
Hi, we need a bathroom vanity.
What size?
36-inch, we measured.
Budget?
Something affordable but nice looking.
This gray one is popular. $449.
Does it come with the sink?
Sink, yes. Faucet is separate.
How much for the faucet?
Brushed nickel, $79.
We also need a mirror.
Framed mirror for this size, about $60.
What about the toilet?
Is the old one working?
It works, but it wastes water.
Water-efficient model, about $200. Saves on your bill.
Makes sense. We'll take everything.
Total is $790. Free delivery over $500.
Can you deliver Saturday?
Saturday, 9 to 12. No problem.
Perfect. Thank you.
The final walkthrough.
Ready for the final walkthrough?
I've been waiting for this day.
Kitchen first. The wall is open.
It feels twice as big now.
Support beam is in, inspected and approved.
The cabinets look amazing.
Soft close, no more slamming.
I love that. And the countertops?
Quartz installed, seams are tight. Check the corners.
Smooth. I can barely see the seam.
Your backsplash looks professional, by the way.
Really? We spent a whole weekend on that.
Now, the bathroom. Vanity is in, faucet works.
Everything looks perfect.
The plumbing behind the wall is all new. No more leaks.
How long is your guarantee?
5 years on all my work.
Great. And the final cost?
$32,800 total.
About $3,000 over budget.
That includes all the leak and mold work.
Worth every penny.
Painting the living room.
Last project. Painting the living room.
I picked the color warm linen.
It looks white to me.
It's not white, it's warm linen.
If you say so, where do I start?
Tape first, along the edges and ceiling.
This is taking forever.
Good taping means clean lines.
Done taping. Now the roller.
Edges first with the brush, then roller.
It's going on so smooth.
Do a W pattern, then fill it in.
Jessica, I got paint on my nose.
And in your hair.
At least I look like a real painter now.
A real painter doesn't get paint in his hair.
First tiling, now painting. I'm becoming a handyman.
Don't get too confident.
Fine, but look at that wall. Beautiful.
Warm linen looks better than white, right?
I'll never doubt you again.
Remember that. Second coat tomorrow.
Thanksgiving dinner.
The turkey is in the oven in our new kitchen.
3 months ago, this room had moldy walls.
Now look at it. New cabinets, quartz countertops,
Our DIY backsplash?
even the crooked tile in the corner.
That one has character.
We went over budget by about $3,000.
Because of the leak and mold.
Things we couldn't have known.
Mike was right. Always budget extra for old houses.
We know that now.
The bedroom could use an update next.
And the deck. Stop. Today we celebrate, not plan.
Happy Thanksgiving, Jack.
Happy Thanksgiving, Jessica, to our dream kitchen.
Even with the surprises.
Especially the surprises.